But luckily, my other job meant I had just the right car that week to get us there on time.
Fucking hell! I want one.
You want one of these?
Yeah.
Lambos are the best. If you're going to have a really, really idiotic car, you have to have a Lamborghini because they're the most idiotic cars. You have to love it. So go on, just talk me through your hair. What style would you call that? I mean, what did you say to the barber?
Can I have tram lines? So you know exactly what I meant.
All right, tram lines, but then the bit on the top.
That's a perm still.
No.
It is.
It's completely different to your old
It's
perm.
a bit of volume in the perm.
I think you and Gerald should start a new British detective programme called Perm and Mullet. I think it sounds like a couple of detectives who roam around the countryside solving rural crime.
I farm all this.
What, this? Oh, is this you?
Yeah, this farm here.
So have you missed a bit on this farm as well?
I think I vaguely remember that, actually.
As darkness fell, we arrived at the farming Oscars.
Oh, there you go. Drop me off over there.
Where?
Just by the red carpet.
I'm not dropping you by the red carpet.
Why?
I'm not dropping you.
Just over there.
I am not your chauffeur.
It's my award.
It's not your reward.
It is. Please, just there.
Oh, for God's sake.
Thank you. All right? Thank you.
You owe me one for this.
Go and park the car. How are we doing? Make sure it's closed.
Shut up. Oh, I'm going to have to go round the block. Jesus.
How are we doing?